Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. I often get comments about elaborating the recipes that I share, but often it gets difficult to fit these elaborate recipes in the 10-minute vlog style videos. So here is the detailed version of it. I'll begin by grinding the regular sugar into a coarse powder. I'll crack the eggs and whisk this egg and sugar mixture till it reaches a ribbon stage. You will know that your mixture has reached the ribbon stage when you pull the whisk and see the drizzle settling slowly on the batter, leaving few impressions each time. Now we will add the oil as a drizzle. This will help to emulsify the oil in the batter. You can only get the best cake if you measure all your ingredients before, and this is one prep that you have to do for a perfect bake that we all desire. Now always keep your wet ingredients and dry ingredients in separate bowls and gradually add the dry ingredient to wet ingredient. This will help you to create smooth batters and not a lumpy one. I'll add milk to adjust the consistency. Add a good quality of vanilla extract, or you can also use vanilla bean paste. Our batter is almost ready. Let's heat our waffle iron. It's very important to grease the waffle iron properly, at least for the first time. Take time, oil each and every nook and cranny so that our waffle does not stick to it. We will add the final ingredient of baking soda and apple cider vinegar and pour the batter in the waffle iron. In my waffle iron, I do not open the lid until one of the light turns off, and this gives me a crisp top of the waffles and a soft inside. In the related vlog where I shared this recipe, I have also shared how to clean these waffle irons because I find that it is very important to maintain your appliances as well. This is one of our favorite weekend recipes to enjoy, and we enjoy this often with very special toppings like ice creams or some melted chocolate. If you have never ever tried any of my recipes, then this has to be the first one that you should try because it is one of the most favorite recipes of mine and of my friends and my family. So stick till the end where I'll share my hacks and tips for this cake. First, we will start with separated egg whites and egg yolks. And we will divide the sugar into two parts. One, I will use it for the egg whites to make a soft meringue stage. First we will break the egg whites, and once you see this froth on the egg whites, start adding sugar tablespoon at a time. We will continue to whisk till we reach the soft peak stage. These egg whites will give our cake a structure. The real goodness of this cake comes from this orange zest. We will mix this orange zest in the sugar to make crumb-like texture. To this we will add fresh orange juice, and the egg yolk we will add condensed milk. Do not leave any sugar or condensed milk on top of egg yolk ever. It just cooks your eggs. So always make sure that you mix really fast. Now we will add the oil in a drizzle and emulsify it in our yolk mixture. Add this to the dry ingredients. Now once you have created a smooth batter, we will add egg whites in 3 batches. We don't want to deflate the egg whites, hence it is very important to add it in 3 batches. So it doesn't matter if you whisk the egg yolk mixture really fast, but egg whites would be done at a very gentle hands. You need either a spatula, a wooden spoon, or if you are a beginner, use a whisk. If you're using a spatula or a wooden spoon, make sure that you scrape all the sides and turn the bowl along with the spatula, like so. This will help you to incorporate all the egg whites without deflating it. So we will use cut and fold method along with moving the bowl simultaneously. Make sure your spatula touches the bottom of the bowl and bring the batter up. Please don't be disheartened at the first go. It took me also a lot of practice to reach here. Any kind of skill requires practice, and eventually we all become perfect. Now we will add the same trick of baking soda and vinegar, and with gentle hands we'll fold this mixture. Immediately pour this into the greased tins. For this measurement you will be able to make 2 6-inch cake and 1 8-inch cake, or 3 7-inch cakes. So it is perfect if you want to ice this cake. Bake this at 180°C for 25 minutes or until toothpick comes out clean. Serve it hot as a tea cake or ice it with your favorite cream cheese frosting. Either ways, it tastes really delicious. I hope you enjoyed this format. In case you want to know more about baking or any tips, or while you're making this cake you had any problems, do leave me a comment or DM me on Instagram. I will be more than happy to answer all your queries. This is all for today. I will see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and liking this video. Do leave me your sweet comments. I love to read them and reply to them. Until next time, happy cooking. Take care. Bye-bye.